Street.
Street.
Avenue.
Avenue.
Intersection.
Intersection.
Traffic light.
Traffic light.
Bus stop.
Bus stop.
Landmark.
Landmark.
Map.
Map.
Excuse me, where is? Excuse me. Where is?
Excuse me, where is?
How can I get to? How can I get to?
How can I get to?
Go straight. Go straight.
Go straight.
Turn left or right. Turn left. Right. Turn left or right. It's on your left or right. It's on your left, right. It's on your left or right. It's next to. It's next to. It's next to. It's across from. It's across from. It's across from. It's about 5 minutes away. It's about 5 minutes away. It's about 5 minutes away.
Ask for directions.
Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. It's on your right. Directions.
How can I get to the museum?
Walk straight until you see the traffic light, then turn right. It's next to the park. Ask about distance.
Is it far from here?
No, it's about 10 minutes by walk. Conversation 1.
Excuse me, where is the post office?
Go straight for 3 blocks, then turn left at the intersection. It's across from the bank.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Conversation 2.
Hi, how can I get to the train station?
Walk straight until you see the traffic light, then turn right. It's next to the shopping mall.
Is it far?
No, it's about 5 minutes by walk.
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Let's practice together. Listen and write down the words you hear. Street.
Street.
Avenue.
Avenue.
Intersection.
Intersection.
Traffic light.
Traffic light.
Bus stop.
Bus stop.
Landmark.
Landmark.
Map.
Map.
Exercise 1. Write a short dialogue about asking for directions and giving directions. Exercise 2. Record or record a video pretending you are asking for directions or giving directions in English and share it in the group or comment. Summary. Today, we learned how to ask for directions and give directions. Practice regularly to be more confident. Announcement. Tomorrow, we will learn how to communicate while shopping. Don't forget to follow along and do the exercises. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow.